Welcome again to another tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can configure multiple DID numbers in Vicidial. So I have already created a video on like how to configure the DID number in Vicidial. If you want to see, I will be mentioning that on my description also, or you can see it over here on the I button. So in this video, let's see how you can configure the multiple DID numbers in Vicidial. So to do that, it's very simple. What we are going to do, first of all, let's go to the inbound, and then on the inbound option, we are going to click on the add a new DID. So on my Excel, as you can see, I have some multiple DID numbers over here. So let's copy one from here, and I'm going to paste it over here, then submit. And after that, you can select the DID route, that where this call going to be routed when someone is going to call to this particular DID. So I'm going to set it to the phone, and I'm going to mention the phone number over here and the server IP, and let's say hit enter. Okay, so once this done, let's click on the show DID, and over here you can see I have configured the first DID I have. Now what about the rest of them? Let's suppose you have too many of them and it's not possible to configure one by one. So just basically copy this, then I'm going to click on the report, then click on the admin utilities. Make sure you are logged in with the admin ID or the ID which has the level 9 permission. Otherwise you might not see this particular option over here. So as you can see, this is the option I was talking about. So make sure you see this particular function. Okay, now click on it, admin utilities. Basically it's give you some bunch of admin tools that you can use in your Vicidial. After that, we are going to click on the admin tools. So if you check properly, you will find an option like this, admin bulk tools. So let's click on that, and on the first section you can see it's saying bulk copy. Okay, like DID bulk copy. So we are going to select the first DID, and we are going to paste the other DIDs that I have over here, and I'm going to paste it like this. So what I'm going to do, all the DIDs going to copy the same setting from this DID. So make sure that you have selected the perfect DID that you wanted to copy, because all these DID numbers are going to apply the same setting that this particular DID has. Now we are going to press submit. Now it's saying, attention, you are about to add following DID using the setting in DID this number. Okay, the following DIDs are duplicate and will not be created. If any DID number is already added in your system, it will be mentioning above this line. So let's click on the confirm, and it's saying DID added. Okay, so our DID is now added. So we are going to check it. So I'm going to click on the inbound, then inbound DIDs, and you can see all the DIDs are now added. So this is the first DID I have added, and as you can see, I have routed it to the phone, and this is the phone ID. So let's see if it's applied to the other DIDs also. Okay, so you can see that it's saying the DID number is routed to the phone and it's routed to the same phone ID. So this is how you can create multiple DID numbers, okay, in your Vicidial. Like you can bulk upload. So this is how you can do it. It's pretty easy. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.